I've lost a lot of people. Lost my mama at 11.
This is AJ, Mystery Fashionist, who I'm here with, and where you from?
David Adeleke, OON, a.k.a. Davido. West South Africa, Nigeria to precise.
Rate your outfit from 1 through 10. Let me know what you're wearing.
20. So we got the blazer up and down from Kosi Koch. I actually heard about this designer today. I went to Essex. Margiela, you know what I'm saying, on the feet. Audemars. And these is from Raphael.
What's your top 5 fashion essentials?
Jewelry, definitely. Cologne. I like
Cologne,
to smell
alright.
fresh. I like oud, anything oud, like Arabian scents. My wallet, definitely. Communication, my phone. Sometimes I like my glasses because my eyes are a little low.
What is a common misconception about you?
Sometimes, like, I hang out with people and then they're like, he's so cool. I'm like, what the fuck you thought? And so I think sometimes people think I'm not approachable. Another misconception is that people also think I'm too accessible. I grew up in a big family. I'm just used to having people